smoothness of that GoPro. It looks a bit weird sometimes. But yeah, this is Rottnest Island. This is the second dive site. I wasn't able to, oh shit, sorry. Hey, let me turn off the music. So I wasn't able to film the first dive, so this is the big boat. This is my team. This is some guy like doing that kind of thing. So this is us making our way down. Hold on, is that too loud? So this is us at the very bottom. This is my dive buddy here. So she was an older lady. We switched dive buddies because she didn't feel, I don't think she felt that comfortable with I've done like that to her. I'm like, you good? Because like people are starting to go through this little like loop thing here, and she, I don't know, she looked to me like she was a bit out of control or something, or unsure or something. So yeah, that's why I was just like, you good? So I'm good. But yeah, people started going through this little loop thing, like under down here. Like you can kind of come out the other end. You see there. There's been a bit of sand kicked up, but me and my dive buddy Lillian decided to bypass it. I just thought it was a cool kind of shot, seeing the air bubbles coming up. Oh yes, I did have a leg cramp. Not this day, but like, oh my god, I feel like I've actually edited this too fast because I'm like barely talking through it. Wow, yeah, water's so nice. It was apparently very good visibility. I mean, this is the first time. Wait, did you finally find? I did a little bit. Like Alien, I got something that was similar, but yeah, it was enough, I think. We'll see. If I try to stream next time and my GoPro is kind of failing me, then yeah. Yeah, wow, yeah. 17 meters we got to. Oh wait, no, on this dive it was 12. This second dive was 12. We did 2 dives. First one was 17 meters. I wasn't allowed to take my GoPro, but this dive I was allowed to. Was it cooler at the depth? I'm not sure. I kept peeing in my wetsuit to keep myself warm. And then it was gross. I was like peeling off my wetsuit and it kind of smelled bad. And I was around a lot of people. I'm like, oh, they can definitely smell this. I just don't know how wetsuits work. I'm like, water's getting in here, right? But it's not. I don't know. Did I just have like a full suit of pee? Pee attracts sharks? Are you serious? I didn't know that. That will keep the sharks away. That'll be sticky for, oh god. Well, I did give it a good wash. Philosophy in life I go by, never worry about what could be, just deal with what is, and you will live a better life. Just stop by to hopefully make, oh, thank you, Taint. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, yeah, don't kick yourself over like shit that goes wrong. It's a part of life. Totally. 10 meter visibility. They said, oh wait, no, they said, I mean, people were saying 10 to 15 meters. The resolution's nice. Yeah. Well, this is like 1080p quality or something. So how many meters is 1 atmosphere? I don't know. Yeah, wowie, hi. Yeah, it was fun. It was scary, but Yogi, you're lying, right? I mean, well, it seems like my pee was getting kept inside the suit, so I love aquascapes, so even just seeing the rocks and the seaweed. Yeah, it's cool. How wet was the water down there? Not the wettest I've experienced, yeah. I mean, I had a wetsuit on. I could, you know, a 10 to 15, yeah. Most surfers shouldn't pee in them, but have to? Oh, wow. What? I didn't know that. Okay, all right, hold on. I need to go back to here. So our diving instructor, or trainer, whatever you want to call it, dive master, she's pointing after this. She's pointing up to like, she's pointing there. I thought she was pointing to this, but there's actually a huge school of fish there. Big school of fish. I noticed that in the video later. But yeah, this was like cool. It was just like different. This is me checking my my bar. So I started off with like 220 bar, and I think we were down for about 10 minutes, and I went down by 30 bar. So you just need to like get into a habit of like looking at how much air you have, because who knows, you might have like some kind of leak or something all of a sudden, and you might be really low, and then you want to get their attention and be like, I need to get up. But yeah, there's some fish there. I think is that wrasse? I don't really know. The colors change when you're like deeper in the water. Everything starts looking very blue and green when it's actually not that color. Do you want to plug the company you went with? It's Diving Frontiers. Yeah. I mean, I paid full price and stuff, so I don't really need to give them a plug. So, but hey. So yeah, it's pretty damn cool. It does feel like you're in a totally different world. Equals 14. PSI, right. I should probably know this. I kept having the controller in my hand. I didn't really need to. A lot of people were just like this, and I just... Oh, that's when I... Okay, so at this point, I was like... I felt like... I was like, where did people go? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I see you now. Oh, there you are. Because I was at the very back. I didn't want my goggles to get kicked off. I didn't want people to kick my goggles off. Sometimes I'm a little further ahead, but most of the time I'm at the back. So that's me like clearing my ears. So the deeper you go, the bigger the pressure and the more your ears start to like kind of hurt. But if you go like that, you kind of like blow them back open. I'm surprised at how easy that was. Like I thought my ears were gonna like cane, like just be unbearable, but this is like the light and the darkness, like light distortion. I think that's what that was, why it looks so weird. Oh yeah, this here is when I realized someone's suddenly directly underneath me. Because people are just like swimming along. They're just enjoying themselves and they don't realize that there's someone literally like this far above them. So I'm just kind of like, once I realize them, I'm like, oh God, okay, all right, hold on. I'm like trying to, let me kind of get myself back a bit. Look at my snorkel, it's about to fall out of my mask. Hey, one way! Hey! One way! Hello, gorgeous freaking human being. How you doing? Thank you so much for the rate of 47. Welcome on in, guys. Hi. Hi, I'm Sploosy, mostly an IRL streamer from Western Australia. How was the stream? We're just going through like a video of my scuba diving. Hey, cash money. Oh, no, you lost so many jungles. Yeah, we're just going through. This is kind of like a little bit of a collage of kind of my scuba diving training I've been doing over the last few days. This was like me actually scuba diving in the ocean. Yeah. Some scary shit. At 50 bar? Yeah, 50 bar. Yeah. 100 bars when we were meant to like notify our, make sure our leader like was aware of that. Is it hard to swim with all that gear on? It is, you do have to, it's quite a lot of weight. You do have to like kick quite a bit and you're trying to relax, but you move very slowly. How was the stream? Big shout out to One Way. I got to meet her lovely face at TwitchCon 2019 in September. Yeah. Welcome on in, guys. I hope it was a great stream. Cash, I hope you're well. Australians represent. Yeah. Yeah, she's so freaking nice. And she's such a babe as well. You got to come on our game show. Yeah, well, I'm waiting for the invite. What would the command steal do? All right. Continue small equalizations. Yeah, I kept like... Can't wait to see the Slav action. Yeah. Well, I need to wait for like Nocturnal to hopefully invite me out. What's up, Double Decker? That heck, I actually just invited you. Oh, I'm definitely invited. I was invited to one a long time ago and I think I couldn't make it. Yeah. But no, sounds good. As long as it doesn't start at like 6 a.m. my time because it's almost 1 p.m. where I am at. All right, we'll continue watching. So yeah. We need to go underneath some things. Is this when I realize I'm a bit... Oh, wait, no. Never mind. So there's my partner down there. Bottom right, so you need to have like a dive buddy. Just make sure that they're not like being like, I'm out of there, or like I need help or whatever. It's kind of scary, like you really have to depend on people. Oh my gosh, there's a fish. There's a fish. There's the kind of fish that we saw wasn't too crazy. Hold on. Did I hear you say you weren't allowed to take a camera on deeper dive? Well, no, we weren't allowed to, no, our diving instructor, she just said the second dive, you're allowed to take the camera out. Yeah, that's it. Her game show is great. Yeah, she's so awesome. I love her. I miss her. What's that called when you equalize the pressure by holding your nose? What is it called? Well, equalizing is all I know. 20-hour difference or something? Hey, TSB, big fan. Oh, I love that emote. Love it. They're trying to pimp me away from you. What? Pimp? What? Hold on. What am I missing here? We start at 10. Oh, 10 a.m.'s all right. Oh, no, 10 a.m.'s fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Don't get the bends. Oh, the bends if you kind of like shoot up too quickly. I was... In a moment of panic, I was worried that I might just be like shooting for the surface, but yeah. Discord didn't say you were live? Oh, okay. Weird. I'll have to look into that. Have you or do you plan on diving around Guam? I hear there are a lot of sunken ships that people dive on. Where's Guam? Is Guam in Asia? I don't know. I wanna like stream it, but I don't know. Where I was doing stream and didn't catch it properly. It was where I joined stream. Oh, okay. Shout her out again so I can get the link. Are you taking a written test to get certified? I mean, like I'm allowed to dive 18 meters now with a dive buddy and during the day. That's the rules. Yeah, Guam. Thank you, Pot. Thank you. So I'm like, yes, sort of a school of fish. Woo! Yay! So these are just little highlights and stuff. Oh yeah, like look at these good eggs. They found like some big sheet of something, and that's our instructor, and he's like, don't worry, I got it. Yeah. So they wrap that up and yeah, clean that off the ground, which was good of them. Ooh, lots of seaweed. Kelp? Is it called kelp? How much is the whole course? It costed me $600 in the end, I think. Yeah, kelp. Yeah, that's it. You're daft if you dive on your own at any depths. Yeah, well, yeah, I have to. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Hold on. This is why I included this really. Okay, all right. So this here. So my buddy, she was looking for me. So I quickly tried to get myself on her left-hand side just so I could be like, hey, I'm good here. But look at this guy. He looks like he's like fucking drunkenly walking home from a bar. He's kind of like sort of standing up straight, but look at him. Like, wait for his hands to go left and right. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here we go. I don't know. I just thought that looked funny. It's like, mate, you're meant to be kind of horizontal, not upright like that. Oh, that's like a crayfish. That was a crayfish there. Rock lobster, whatever you want to call him. You can't see it very well, but it is there. Now what's going on here? Oh, I think I'm like trying to get out of the way of someone again. I'm like, I don't want to knock your mask off. Is this where we start? I think we start making our way back to the boat here. I think we have to sustain about 10 meters. Because you have to kind of like decompress. Is that what? Oh wait, no, it isn't. We just. Oh, I don't know actually, because we're pretty. Yeah, he's got the rubbish there. He was cool. That's Michael. Michael. Fishies. What's the coolest you've seen while diving? Well, this was my first time actually diving properly in the ocean. So, oh yeah, we're making our way back to the boat. So we're about 10 meters, I think, yeah. Oh wait, no, 5 meters. Oh my gosh, I was just kind of like paying attention to everyone. I should have been looking at my computer thing more to see how deep we were, but I kind of just, yeah. We were taking it slowly up. Because if you shoot like right up, then you can have like sort of nitrogen poisoning, which is decompression sickness, I think. Yeah, most people are so awkward underwater, I guess. Yeah, so this is me like making my way up to the surface, and the viz looks good. Yeah, apparently it was very good, so. I mean, I've got nothing to compare it to. What's that? 200 meters? No, we went 17 meters. Oh, this fucking rope keeps getting attached onto me. I'm trying to chill. Listen to me grunt here.
I'm just sorry for yelling.
And then I'm like, I'm just gonna like relax here now. Oh. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah. Well done. Thank you. I was like, yeah, kind of on the, when I kind of like dove, when I went scuba diving on the Wednesday just off the coast and was just getting sat through those kind of like tests and shit like that. I was like, I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can go into the ocean. No, I don't think I can go like, twice this depth. And I was freaking out, but I just tried not to think about it too much. Yeah,